I want to show you on how to represent a graph that has um, different relationship between variables. Now, I did this in my previous video on how to represent um, graph in only one variables or only one relationship. Now, if you look at this table, we have months. This was collections of data, collections of values from the total quantity ordered between January, the month, and the years. Now, I picked the 3 years out of it, which is 2017 to 2019, and I want to represent a graph. Finding the best way to represent a graph between relationship. Now, look at this image. Look at the way it's being represented here, male, female, because of their relationship. This is the best way to represent a graph with relationship. Now we want to see how to do this on Excel. So going here, we have to highlight the whole of this table. Okay, going back to insert, pick up this table, pick up this table. Now this is how to represent a chart that has relationship. Very simple, clear, because if you look at this value, we have the first series, the second series, and the third series. I believe that you know how to change this, but a quick way of how to change this value, so we can easily come to select and edit. You can make the first series 2017, the second one edit, then you pick up this, okay, third one edit, and you still pick up this value as our series. So therefore, this is the best way to represent a graph with um that has relationship between variables. Hope you understand the video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel, because you'll be learning a lot of tips on how to visualize data and statistical analysis using Excel and other relevant tools for data analytics.